What up, people? In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to know if a forex news is positive or negative for a certain currency pair, and I'll be showing you with a chart representation on how to take these trades when you see this news, and how to know how to trade it when it is positive or negative. Let's get to it. Now, before I go ahead, kindly click on that subscribe button, like, and share your comments, and I'll be sure to reply every one of your questions and suggestions. Let's get to it. Now, this is our forexfactory.com, and it's very good for fundamental analysis, because when you're checking the news, you're actually doing fundamental analysis, and when you're checking the charts, you're doing technical analysis. But this is very important to do every morning before you take your trade, before you check the market, to know what to trade and what not to trade. Now let's get to it. Now, this is our forex factory, and the first thing you do is at the time I'm making this video, it's 12 a.m, and so definitely you see it as yesterday. So you set your time zone here, and as you can see, it's Thursday, and today is already 12 according to my time here, and so it's Friday here. So, well, this was Thursday yesterday. Now, these are the currency pairs you're seeing right here, which means these are the news, the currencies on the news for these currencies yesterday. So on JPY, you see the news, you see what it's at the front right there, right there, right there. So whenever you see a yellow symbol like this, it indicates low impact expected, as you can see there. And anytime you see something looking orange this way, it means it's just about something like a medium impact expected. But this kind of yellow one indicates that it doesn't really move the market, or doesn't really do anything of any significant thing. But whenever you see this red symbol, it means, oh, there's going to be high impact on this particular currency that is there. As you can see, it's a CNY currency, is not a major currency. So and as you can see, this is also the medium. It means this is giving you a medium impact in the market. And as you can go down, as you're looking downward there, you see USD, which is a major currency, and you see it has high impact unemployment claims over there, and you see the symbol is red, so it means there's an high impact news coming out around 2:30 p.m. That was as yesterday. So what do you do when you see this news? Basically, here I trade the technical analysis, and sometimes, most of the times, I only trade the fundamental analysis after the market has moved in the direction. All right, so this is what you do. Whenever you see this high impact kind of news, you come to this folder here, you want to click it. Now, here's the interesting part. Now, all you need, you see this source, you see these measures, usual effect, frequency, next release, FF notes, why traders cares, and so on. But what you are interested in is this usual effects. And what you just want to know is, oh, the actual less than forecast is good for currency. So that means vice versa is bad for currency. So if actual less than forecast is good for currency, it means actual greater than forecast is bad for currency. So vice versa, like that. And another interesting thing is, you don't just check days here, you want to check the history of the news that have been coming out so far. And as you can see, so far you have been having news like this, 209k, 198 positive, and this one was the only negative. So that means it has been news has been positive for USD from time packs, from October October last month, and as you can see, it's been positive for the market since October. So definitely, I'm sure, okay, yeah, this is good for USD. It means today the unemployment claims shows that USD pair is strong. All right, so I'm going to be going to the chart representation now. So now CNY happened. This news came out at 2:30 a.m. but this is not a major currency pair. All right, to the chart representation, and as you can see, this is on gold, and as you can see, back to this FOREX factory, you see the news happened at around 2:30 New York session. So if I look at it right here, this line right here, that's 14. Yeah, this year right here, that's the start of the news. And as you can see, because of this USD claim, and after we've checked what happened with the history, we know, okay, it has been strong, and also at the actual is greater than lesser than forecast is good for currency, and the results coming out also right there is showing that okay, USD is stronger. So you see how price went to the upside, but this is not the only confirmation that we had on this trade. Although yes, from this place price went up right there after the news came out, but if you look closely, you want to trade, yes, the fundamental analysis good with the news, and but you want to have some more confluences and some more confirmations. All right, so if you understand, first of all, if you notice, this has been trending to the downside crazily. So let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me get to the 1 hour time frame. All right, good. If you notice, price started coming down to this downtrend right here, creating lower lows and lower highs right here. All right, but at this area here, after this happened, I got into my indicator right there and I went in and picked out my RSI to look for divergence. If you don't understand divergence, we have a video on that. Just look through the channel, you see where I spoke on the 6 entry method you need in 2023. Go and check that video on our channel. You understand divergence the more, but I will explain that because of this video. Now we already know that USD is strong. Well, I'm looking for more confluence. Now let me zoom it a bit. All right, good. Now if you notice in this downtrend, you see there's a lower low here and a lower high and a lower low, but on the RSI, price was doing the quite the opposite. Let me bring it up for you here so you can see it clearly. Now price was making a lower low, lower high right there, but the RSI was giving us, oh, what was that? I'm sorry about that. Let's get that again. But the RSI was giving us a lower high, higher high and higher low. So it's doing the complete opposite. Why this price was giving us a lower low, a lower high, and the RSI was giving us that divergence right there. If you look at it right there, you see going to the upside, why price was coming to the downside. Now this indicates a very strong change of trend happening in the market, addition with our fundamental analysis here telling us USD is going to be strong. So easily, what do we do? That is my second confluence right there. Do you understand that? That's the second confluence right there. Now back to my 15 minutes time frame, and this is my entry time frame. Now that I know that, okay, if I put up my RSI again, you see it's right there, the divergence is there to this area. now, and I see it right here that price is breaking this trend right here. It's very easy, and you see price just broke out of this trend and gave us that nice retest. It gave us this nice bullish engulfing, and voila, to the upside. And if you check the time frame right there, you see my candle, you see it down there, Thursday 09 November 23 14:30, exactly the time for this, and price went to the upside just like that. And if you didn't take your entry from here, you could have taken it from the lower time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame. Looking at it here also, you see price broke out to the down, broke above this trend line at immediately after the news came out. You must be looking for an entry, and you want to look for these huge volume candles engulfing the red candle to go on a long. So if you notice, price really broke away from this area. You see, broke above it and came to retest, giving us this massive candle, even though it came back here. And definitely you would have taken your long position. Definitely I would have taken my long position after the close of that candle right there, and I would have gone for 1 to 2, definitely 1 to 2, and you see it went more than that. So this was how we caught that trade on gold using this fundamental analysis. And this is how to know how price affects your trade. I mean, how the news affects your trade. Yeah, that is that's for gold. So we might want to check any other examples maybe. All right, let's do something. Let me check on US 30. Yes, this trade, yes. Now look at this. Look at price. If you understand market structure, price was making a higher high and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, but failed to give us that higher high that was higher than this high. So instead it gave us another higher low, indicating, oh, this is the end of this trend. Now if you notice, look at the time right there. Let me go to my 15 minutes time frame. Now if you look at the time right there, down there, you see the time right there. You see the time, that's 14:30, exactly when the news came out. And if you're looking at, you don't just trade this news blindly after you've gotten your confirmation on the news. You don't just trade it. You look for confirmation and you trade after the news must have reacted. All right, so definitely you see this happening and you're ready. You have your first confirmation is the fundamental analysis. The second one is price failed to give you another higher than this level here. That's the second confirmation. Here your third confirmation is you want to wait till after the market, till after the market must have reacted to the news coming out. And if you look at this area right here, you see price coming back to this area, reacting to these highs here and giving us that double top right there. And after that news came out at 14:30, you must have, I definitely usually wait to see what the market does before I take my move. And you must have taken that short position after this bearish engulfing right here and target the lows right there. If you didn't, you must have probably waited for the break of this area to follow suit. This is, yes, definitely US 30. You must have caught about 98 points right there, and that's good enough for you. So this yes, definitely you must have cotton. I'm gonna leave it in the video. I'm not gonna edit it because it shows the passion that I'm using to explain this. So you must have caught about definitely 100 points on that second. If you didn't take the entry from this area, you must have taken the entry in this area. So this is how you react to the news happening in the forex market to know if it is negative or positive, and how you trade it and how you react to this news in the market. So there you go. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and you comment your views. Till I come your way next time, peace and love.